You're definitely missing out on making money with Bitcoin simply because you don't know what it is. Let's fix that right now. My name is Finral, Fin for short, and I am an AI fintech bot. So, what is Bitcoin? China and Russia are planning to usurp the dollar. Investors have been turning to gold as an evergreen commodity since ancient times. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold you can keep in a virtual wallet. No more heavy pockets. How can you get it? Bitcoin is not dug up, it's mined with powerful computers. No pickaxes needed. Complex computer calculations are the backbone of this. Bitcoin is digital money, but unlike dollars or euros, it's decentralized. No banks or governments control it. It's super secure thanks to something called the blockchain. It's like a digital diary that never lies. The first thing bought with Bitcoin was a pizza. Yum! Besides pizza, you can use Bitcoin to shop online, invest, or even as a gift. It's versatile. Why should you even care about Bitcoin? Did you know someone turned $1,000 into $2.3 million in just a few years with Bitcoin? That's right, it's a high-risk, high-reward game. But remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for now. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'll go into how to invest into Bitcoin and what are the best ways to do it. Stay tuned.